You might recall during the introduction to this course that I mentioned you'll essentially be learning two related and equally important aspects of data warehousing. The first one, data warehousing architecture, is what we focused on so far. Now it's time to shift our attention to the second aspect, which is the design engineering side of data warehousing. This is where we will start learning about dimensional modeling. We'll start with some basic concepts of dimensionality that have become ubiquitous in the world of data warehousing. We'll then get very precise as we define facts and dimensions, as well as fact tables and dimension tables. Just as a preview, a fact is not the same as a fact table, so it's important that we clearly and precisely define these terms since you'll need to work with both of them for data warehousing. We'll introduce the design concepts of both star schemas and snowflake schemas and look at the similarities and differences between the two. Finally, we'll get very detailed and also very prescriptive with regards to database table keys for data warehousing. If you already have some familiarity with relational databases, then you're most likely familiar with the concepts of primary keys and foreign keys. We'll cover these concepts anyway, since they are critically important to linking our fact and dimension tables. But we'll also look at surrogate keys versus natural keys and discuss the respective recommended uses for each in the world of data warehousing. So let's shift our focus to the design engineering aspects of data warehousing and dimensional modeling.